Hey guys, welcome back to Pig Farm in Jamaica 876. Actually we're at the farm store, guys, and we are getting some feeding. Alright guys, so we're buying 4 bags, 2 more leave. Hi Farmer Mark. Alright guys, we are here at the farm. Alright guys, so we just arrived at the farm and we are about to jump over. What's up, Big Mama? Alright guys, so we're not sure if this one is pregnant. If she was, she would be having piglet next week. But look at the tummy. It's not giving pregnant at all. So I'm gonna have to put the brand in and see. I'm not sure. Who is this? Sheila? No, it's not Sheila. This one had piglets a few months ago. She does not call brand and say it, but when she do, we're gonna have the brand in. Alright, this one over here, guys. All her piglets are weaned off. She's looking a bit thin. Once she gains back some of the weight and she go in heat, and once she calls brand, then we're gonna have the brand in with her. But for now, she's gonna be putting on back some of the weight. This sow did birth this morning up to last night up to this morning. She had 9 piglets. All of them is alive so far. We can't see their true complexion because they still have some dry blood on them. Yeah, that kind of look brownish. Yeah. So once they are cleaned up, guys, then I'm gonna show you them on next day. But all of them is looking fat and healthy. Look at how she's looking, like she's looking scared. She's so fat. Alright guys, so farmer just put in the dry sawdust for them. I hope they go on it and stay warm because it's about to rain in a short while from now. Oh, the roofing, I'm gonna fix the roofing. Alright. Because we don't want the piglets, the newborns, to get wet. Ooh. Alright guys, so let me show you some more of our sows and the piglets. In here we have this Duroc sow. Our one piglet is looking amazing, guys. I'll show you him in the last video. He is still looking amazing. He's not yet weaned. Let me just give you guys a little story. We took the piglet off this sow, off his mother, and put him in one of the pen with the other piglets. So we weaned him off his mom, but he was still sucking another sow breast. So his mom took service a few days ago. Then the date will be on the screen so you guys can know. So we're gonna be expecting some more piglets from her in 3 months and some weeks from now. Hopefully all the piglets survive, because you guys know the story that last 2 times she had piglets, almost all of them died. So we hope all of them survive next time around. I'm gonna show you guys her son in a short while. Hi Mama. This sow we cannot put her back to brand service as yet, because the only brand we have on our farm right now is her son, and we can't have the son service it, the mother. So she was in heat. Okay. Well, once we have a next brand to go with her, then we're gonna put her out. But she's gonna be without a man for now. What's up with this one? Intake service? So I miss brand. I never call. Oh. I'm a one son, not true? Okay, okay. Alright, so this sow as well, she had 12 piglets last time and only one survived. We sold her one piglet about 2 weeks now. So she's in. She's in and she have not yet called brand, but once she do, we're gonna put the brand in with her. Alright guys, so that one piglet that is sucking the breast, that's the Duroc son. He's the only surviving piglet for that so. But I don't know what going here, so guys, like we have the brand in with these two sows. They still have milk in their tummies, so we know that nothing will be going on. But the reason I put the brand in, we got him back yesterday because he was out for about a week on the next farm servicing some sows, and we got him back yesterday, and it was pretty, you know, it was easier to put him in here than to go through the entire process of taking off that gate and blah blah. So we put him in here for the time being. We're going to take him out in a short while. As we said, he's not going to be servicing the two sows because they still have piglets on their breasts. But guys, this one piglet is so, he has the privilege of sucking two sows breasts. So this is him. These two sows, their piglets is somewhere outside. You guys will see them soon.